I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Check AirPods charge and turn on Android Bluetooth. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep the screen active. Place both AirPods in the charging case and lift the lid. This forces pairing mode. Press and hold the small setup button on the case until the status light flashes white. This signals discoverable mode. You're initiating a direct radio handshake. Doing these steps precisely makes the phone see the AirPods quickly and prevents repeated failures. Now locate your AirPods entry in the Android Bluetooth list and tap to pair. You'll see a connected confirmation. After pairing, make sure to grant any media or call audio permissions so music and calls route correctly. Once connected, go to Developer Options or Bluetooth settings to select preferred codec, AAC or aptX if supported, for better quality. Also verify microphone switching for calls. These adjustments optimize sound and reduce latency. They matter because Android lacks deep iOS integration by default. Finish by testing playback, microphone, and one-ear behavior. Make sure controls work the way you expect. If something misbehaves, reset the AirPods. Hold the case button until the light turns amber then white, then repair. If connections drop or audio stutters, clear the Android Bluetooth cache, toggle airplane mode, and restart the phone. This often resolves stack-level Bluetooth issues. If you still have problems, try pairing with another device to isolate whether the AirPods or your phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.